Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of your shirts and of your blouses and also your peplum frocks and your peplum tees as well. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing more videos on my channel as well, and keep supporting me and keep liking more videos on my channel as well. And as you can see that it's a very new video for you and for your for your kids as well, because you can also stitch these type of shirts because they are very simple and decent as well, so you can wear them anywhere, whether you're wearing as a casual wear. So it's up to you guys that how could you wear and how could you purchase. So you can purchase them in cheap prices as well, but it's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear. I'm just advising you that you have to do this. I'm not saying that you have to do this or that. I'm just advising you that it's better to know that what is good for you or what is bad for you. So I'm telling you that proper and exact So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing more videos on my channel as well, and keep sharing my videos and keep subscribing to my channel. And please share this video with your friends and with your family members as well. And please guys, keep supporting me as usual. You are supporting me. And tell me that if you're interested in my video or not, or if you want to see any other type of fashion video. So you can just tell me in the comment box that you want to see this or that. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. And I hope that you like that video too. So please take care of yourself and your family also, and keep sharing my videos and keep sharing my channel as well, and keep supporting me as usual. You are supporting me, and I hope that you are interested in my video as well. So if you are interested, so subscribe to my channel and keep sharing more videos. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family also, and keep subscribing, keep liking, and keep sharing my videos on my channel as well. For more new updates, press the bell icon, because I upload my latest fashion videos daily, and if you press the bell icon, so you can see my videos earlier. So take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah in the next video. Allah Hafiz guys, see you soon. Bye take care.